In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix fetch playlist fail error on Spotify app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are getting this error while you are using Spotify, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, make sure that your playlists are in order and they contain music. Otherwise, if your playlist doesn't have music files, then they'll have nothing to fetch. However, if your playlists are intact and they have music and you're still getting the same error, then we need to troubleshoot Spotify app. To do this, first go to your smartphone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down and look for apps, and under apps, go to manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Spotify, and here you want to go to force stop. Tap on it and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Then restart your smartphone, and now if you open your Spotify app, everything should be up and running, and now all the songs on your playlists should be able to be fetched. However, if you still get the same challenge, then check and then see that you're not using any proxy app or any VPN app or any recently installed security app. If you have any of this, then you need to uninstall them temporarily and see if that fixes your issue. However, if you still have a challenge, then check and see if you have any update for Spotify through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. In most cases, now this should be able to fix your problem. But in case even after doing all this you still encounter a challenge, then most likely Spotify might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, then try and open your Spotify and everything should be okay now. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.